Disgusted. That's how I feel right now. Well, we go from trying to fix a clutch so it fits, the master cylinder fits, to getting a motor to move ½ inch, which was the big thing we were trying to do. And we found out that as the transmission slides back, it hits the cross member. So what's the next logical thing? Pull the cross member out and cut it. That's what we're doing right now. Luke is gathering up the tools and the stuff to cut it. Snowballs. I see why some people shouldn't fabricate and try to do things. They just throw things together and hope it works, and then when somebody else gets it, they try to fix it. And snowballs. It's like you're standing around making snowballs because it just snowballs into a big ball, and you wish you could kick somebody in the balls for doing what they just did. So we're still fighting the motor placement in this thing. As soon as we get the cross member out, we're going to cut it, drill it, and put it back in. Hopefully that works. Works in my head. Should be a good plan. Peace.